Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy Instagram reel animation in Canva. Create design and type Instagram reel. Go to elements and choose the square shape. Change the background of the color to black and change the color of the shape to white or as you want. Rotate a little bit and resize it. Duplicate, resize it again to cover all the page, duplicate and resize it again. And bring your videos or your photos. Layers and send to back. Layers, send to back. Make just about 1 second in 2 first clips and add the text. Choose any font you want. Rotate. Animate. And choose fonts. And make the maximum of the intensity. And add transition and choose watch and move. And you can see the results. I hope you liked this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.